So thank you. Congratulations!
Muntik na ako sa curve, kuya.
Oh, it's okay.
Pero 8 mali ko ba?
It's alright. Congratulations!
Kapapanginig.
Welcome back to TUK TV. In this episode, we are going to take Miss Janelle for her drive test. Janelle is ready for the exam. Please join us and let's find out. Consider liking, consider sharing, and consider subscribing to help us out with the channel. Alright, so this is Janelle's way. Let's go.
Hello po.
Hey Janelle, dito na ako.
Sige po, okay po.
Okay, I'll see you. Good luck. Hi Janelle.
Hello po.
Good luck. Permit.
Nandito po.
Okay.
Tumakas lang ako eh. Hindi nila alam eh.
Na exam? Alright.
May alam lang si mama. Kasi ayoko silang umasa.
Alright. Kaya yan.
Kaya
Ito, dito ka, Washington. May ka-left dito, 10 miles. Kita mo yung white button? Palaging go around it. Sige, ano yung question?
At the light, turn right onto Sullivan Avenue, then turn left into the parking lot.
May mag-change lane. Kailangan po ba akong
Oh, you have to give way. You have to... hindi. Changing lane sa'yo.
Hindi. Sila po biglang mag-change
Towards your lane. Usually, pag ganun, be careful na lang. Meaning, wag ka mag-stop just off the gas ka lang. Be prepared to stop if
Turn right onto
necessary.
Bryant Street.
For example, bigla ka na lang pinasukan na gano'n. You have to make sure na safe ka. So paano ka magiging safe? Ganyan lang, halimbawa may gas ka, okay, off the gas ka lang, then yung paa mo nasa lang. If needed to stop, then you have to stop. Dito na tayo mag-change.
At the stop sign, turn right onto 92nd Street quotation mark.
Papasok tayo
Then turn
na
right onto Sullivan Avenue.
daming
papasok tayo na 9 10 9 na yan o'clock. Kaya mo yan.
Kaya.
Activate.
Activate.
Disengage yung pababa. Basta may nakalagay.
Okay po.
Okay, let's pull out of the curb please. Yan. Oh, sige. Hayaan mo lang siya lumabas. Exam kaya. Hindi yan exam.
Kapag dito po,
ilang stop yan? Okay, tandaan mo basta walang sasabay sa'yo. Okay, palaging stop at the word na stop. Okay, full stop, mabilis na 1. Lean forward ka konti. Okay, let's go, may left. Walang turn ito walang turn. Sige lang, konti pa hanggang sa, okay, dito na. Huwag mo na lalampasan yon. Yan, enough lang para makita mo yung parating. Meron? Alright, keep moving. Yan.
pwede yun?
No, hindi.
Hindi pwede?
-1 yan. -1 for car control. White lang. Let's go straight. Yan, build up mo yung speed mo. Okay, at this corner, let's go make a left. Ganyan ka na mag-turn ka na ng konti.
Okay.
Para palaging dikit sa Okay, at this corner, let's go make a left, please. Alright, pag may parating, sino mauna?
Sila po.
Ikaw at ito, sino mauna?
Ako.
Alright, 10 miles. Manhole ulit, oh. Yun na, yung maliit na manhole. Let's go straight, please. Yeah, nice na yung takbo mo. Basta, tanda mo, magaling ka mag-drive. Oh, just make
Basta
sure,
safe.
apply mo yung, i-apply mo lang yung,
Tinuro.
let's go straight, please. Usually dyan, ang papasok yung awareness mo eh. Parang yan, she has to stop.
Nag-push.
Kasi, ano siya eh, magle-left turn siya, tapos nahuli pa siya.
Pwede po ganito kabagal.
Yeah, basta 20, it's okay. Huwag kang babagal dyan kasi masyado na ramdam nila yung bagal. Pero if you can, mag-25 ka. Okay, keep going straight. 2, 3, amalis ka dyan agad. Hindi siya pwedeng mag-go pala kasi nag-go na yun eh. Hindi pwedeng ganon kasi first come first serve yun. Yun, hesitation yun. Baka bigyan ka ng one deduction ng ano mo. Basta be firm. Be firm sa mga... Ito, pag inagaw nila, then stop ka before the intersection. Okay, at this stop sign, let's go make a right turn, please. Up, stop ka sa line. Traffic check. 1, 2, 3. Saan ka pupunta? Towards the curb. For your second stop, dapat malinaw yan sa exam. Left, right, left. Let's go. Pag wala ka, you have to keep going.
Meron.
It's okay lang yon. Basta make sure na nag-traffic check ka. Medyo safe pa rin yung distance mo sa kanya. Pero you have to make sure na tama yung galaw.
Isang ikot lang po yun, di ba?
Isang ikot lang. Baka 10 to 12 minutes ka lang talaga. It's good. It's good. It's still good. Dito ang changing lanes mo. Okay, change lane to the left, please. Yan, 30 dito, 30. Yan, keep moving lang.
Pero pag lalaroan ko po between 25 to 30, di ba?
Yan. Basta pag mag-change lane ka, medyo ang arangkada kang konti. Change lane to the right, please. Sige, arangkadahin mo yan. Para meaning pag may sasakyan sa likod, increase speed ka rin. Pero not necessarily yung masyado siya malaki ang speed mo. Yan tapos ka na. Cecil. Thank you. Congratulations.
Muntik na ako sa curve, kuya.
Oh, it's okay.
Pero 8 mali ko ba?
It's alright. Congratulations.
Kakapanginig.
Let's go get your license.
Sige.
This concludes our episode with Miss Janelle. Congratulations, Miss Janelle. A well-deserved driver's license. There's nothing left to do but to have fun and drive safe. That's it. Thank you for joining us. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, this is Tiyuki TV. Till next time. Bye for now.